Hello, I'm Jordi Bordas, World Pastry Champion, and I'm happy to be part of the Let's Eat CHIC project. I have been working with chicory fiber for some years now, and I teach other pastry chefs and home cooks to use this amazing ingredient to sweeten their recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two simple desserts with chicory root fiber, inulin and oligofructose. The dessert I'm going to show you first is a chocolate soufflé. I say soufflé because it looks like a soufflé, but it's actually a sugarless chocolate mousse sweetened with chicory root fiber, oligofructose in this case. The mousse is made with 100% chocolate, cocoa mass and water, which gives us an incredible light and clean taste. The meringue made with egg whites and oligofructose makes it airy and fluffy, just like any chocolate mousse needs to be. It's simple and delicious, and it only contains 5 ingredients. Let's get started. Now we are going to prepare the fake soufflé. In that recipe, we have basically a chocolate mousse. We have 100% chocolate without sugar, lecithin, water, egg whites, and oligofructose. In that recipe, we are going to start melting the 100% chocolate until 45 degrees. Once the chocolate is completely melted, we are going to add water and lecithin, and we are going to emulsify with the hand blender during 1 minute. Once we have this part of the preparation that is called emulsification, we are going to prepare the meringue. For the meringue, we are going to whisk the egg whites during approximately 6-7 minutes at 30 degrees, and we are going to add the oligofructose. Once we add the oligofructose, we are going to whisk 3-4 minutes more. That means that in total we are going to whisk around 12 minutes. Once we have the meringue, we have to check that its temperature is at 30 degrees, and we need the emulsion at 45 degrees. We are going to mix both preparations. Once we have the emulsion ready, we are going to whisk the egg whites during 6 minutes. At this point, we are going to add the oligofructose and we are going to whisk more or less 6-7 minutes more. All this process we have to do at 30 degrees. For this, we are going to use a heating gun in order to heat up the egg whites and the oligofructose. To put a strip of acetate or plastic above 1 centimeter of the edge of the ramekin. the chocolate soufflé is ready. We are going to put it in the fridge a minimum of 4 hours, and then we are going to freeze it during 10-20 minutes in order to remove the acetate. And finally, we are going to sprinkle with cacao powder. The chocolate soufflé is ready. Try it and let us know what you think.